Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, January 2nd. We continue with Mark Nepo's essays from the Book of Awakening. This one is titled I See You, and you can find it in the Book of Awakening under December 31st. I'm going to read the chapter to you, and then as always, we're going to do a short practice around it. For centuries, African Bushmen have greeted each other in this way. When the one becomes aware of his brother or sister coming out of the brush, he exclaims, I see you. And then the one approaching, rejoicing, I am here. This timeless bearing witness is both simple and profound. And it is telling that much of our modern therapeutic journey is suffered to this end, to have who we are and where we have been seen. For with this simple and direct affirmation, it is possible to claim our own presence, to say, I am here. Those people in our lives who have validating our personhood by seeing us and exclaiming, I see you, are the foundations of our self-worth. Think of who they are. For me, the first to rejoice at my scrambling into the open was my grandmother. If not for her unequivocal love, I might never have had the courage to express myself at all. And after all, isn't art in all its forms the beautiful trail of our all too human attempts to say again and again, I am here? It is important to note that being seen enables us to claim our lives, and then it becomes possible to pass the gift on to others. But just as important as bearing witness is the joy with which these Bushmen proclaim what they see. It is the joy of first seeing and first knowing. This is a gift of love. In a culture that erases its humanity, that keeps the act of innocence and beginning invisible, we are sorely in need of being seen with joy, so we can proclaim with equal astonishment and innocence that of all the amazing things that could have been or not, we are here. As far back as we can remember, people of all the tribes, unencumbered by civilization, have been rejoicing in being on earth together. Not only can we do this for each other, it is essential. For as stars need open space to be seen, as waves need shore to crest, as dew needs grass to soak into, our vitality depends on how we exclaim and rejoice. I see you. I am here. And this is a simple and profound truth. We have the right to be here. We have the right to take space. And we have the right to be seen. So let's do a practice around that now. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Now root down into the earth. Feel your connection with it, the support it always provides. Breathing slowly, start noticing the sense of being you, sense of your presence. How much space can you take up with your energy? With each cycle of breath, allow this light of yours, this energy to expand further and further out. And repeat after me. I have the right to take up space. I have the right to be here. I have the right to be seen. I am here now. Remember that people in your life who have validated your personhood by seeing you and exclaiming, I see you, are the foundations of your self-worth. Now think of who these people are for you and send gratitude to them. Thank you. I appreciate having you in my life. And once again, repeat after me. I am here. I am here. I am here. Allow yourself to expand more and more into your own light, into your right to be here, into your right to be seen with joy, to be acknowledged, to be validated. Now bring your hands on your heart and send yourself the energy of loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel protected, cared for, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And as you let go of your practice, as always, take a few moments to notice how you're feeling, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day-to-day, notice when you suddenly forget that you have the right to take up as much space as you need. In these moments, remind yourself, I am here. I have the right to be here. I have the right to be seen with joy. I am enough. Thank you so much for being here today. Tomorrow is Wednesday, so it's Lorna's breathing practice, and I will see you on Thursday.